Hi, welcome back. Today what we're going to be looking at is these things. I'll show you how to get from something looking like this to looking new, like this. And something I didn't think of, whoever had this bike before me used an old bearing underneath here to pop it up probably another half inch, something like that. Quite ingenious, I like that idea, so I might use that idea again. It might be useful for any of you guys out there. So let's get on with it. First what we've got to do is take all the paint off. What I'm going to do is use a wire wheel, and then after that we're going to start with various grades of wet and dry paper to get down to eventually 1000 grit paper, and then after that we use the buffing wheel. So I'll show you the process. After the paint's taken off, you're left with this, which in itself isn't bad, and with a bit more sort of, if you like, polishing with the wire wheel, you can get something that looks a bit like that, which is, if you're looking for that kind of finish, is great. But what I want is slightly more of a polished finish. So, right, so now you're going to need to start sanding. Got some wet and dry paper, and it's useful on the tops to use a block if it's flat, which this is. There's a very slight curve on it, but I used the block last time and it held a good result. So we'll start with the 320 grit, we'll go up from there. So you can see that it's getting there slowly. It's nearly all uniform. There's a little bit of pitting still in the surface there, but it's not too severe. Under there, just need to go over this bit and clean that whole area up as well as I can, and then we'll go down a grade and we'll go from there. We're going to go down the grade now, 320 grit, we went to 400, now we're going down again and do 600 grit and then 800 after that, and lots of rubbing down. We've gone over with the 800 grit, now we're going to hit it with 1000 grit paper. This is equipment what it looks like now. So it's got a shine. Most of the pitting has gone, apart from a little bits in the hard to reach places, which you may be able to pick up on the camera though. Okay, now we've got all this down to 1000 grit all the way around it. It's not bad, there was a couple of little scratch marks in there that I could get out if I was really that bothered, but this is to get a reasonably good finish, about the same as the other one. I didn't spend it quite as long as this as I have done today on the other one, but this shows you how much work you have to put into it to get a perfect finish. It's a lot more than what I'm putting in now. So anyway, I'm going to get on with the polishing. So I've got a medium mop on there, going to get some polishing compound on there and we'll get polishing. So this is what we're left with at the moment. It's still got a ways to go. It's very hot. The polish has done a good job, I think. See in the light there. But it's not finished yet. And that's definitely the best bit. But it just goes to prove what you can do with a bit of effort. I hope that's been of some interest. Hopefully it's been helpful as well. I've tried to show you every step of the way. If there's any questions, comments, if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I shall see you in the next video. Thanks.